Stop watching tutorials. I have watched a lot of tutorials on video editing, programming, and 3D modeling, mostly through YouTube. I got stuck in tutorial hell. To avoid a problem like this in your journey to learn stuff like this, go on YouTube and search for the basics of the things you want to learn and start creating something you want to create. Ask yourself, why do you want to learn that thing? What do you want to create? Otherwise, if you continue watching tutorial after tutorial, you will get stuck in tutorial hell and keep watching tutorial after tutorial. So to prevent that, start creating something early. Not only will it help you to continue learning, but you will be creating something for yourself, something in real life. And when you get stuck, go on YouTube again and search for the solution. If, for example, if you want to learn how to add text to a video, let's say you're learning Premiere Pro and you don't know how to add text, go to YouTube again and search how to add text in Premiere Pro. You will learn better because your mind will be in that state. It's eager to know stuff. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me.